So, if Google Flow is not working for you in 2020, don't worry because you're definitely not the only one a lot of users right now are dealing with issues like the app not loading features, not responding generation errors, or the platform simply freezing. And the good news is most of these problems can actually be fixed pretty easily. So in this video, I'm going to show you the most common reasons why it stops working and exactly how to fix them step by step. All right? First, let's start with the most basic thing, your internet connection, because honestly, this is one of the biggest reasons why the platform fails to load properly. If your connection is unstable, slow or constantly switching networks, the tool may stop responding. So before trying anything complicated, refresh your connection, restart your Wi-Fi if needed, and try again. Now, the second thing, refresh the page completely. A lot of temporary glitches come from the browser session itself. Close the tab up in it again and reload the platform from scratch. Sometimes that alone fixes the issue immediately. Now let's talk about browsers. Not every browser behaves the same way, especially with AI tools. If the platform keeps freezing or certain buttons don't work, try switching browsers. For example, if you're using one browser, test it on another and see if the issue continues. This helps you figure out whether the problem is the platform itself or your browser environment. Now, another very common issue, cache and cookies over time. Your browser stores temporary files and sometimes those files create conflicts. So clearing cache and cookies can solve loading problems, login issues, and broken features. After clearing them, restart the browser and open the platform again. Now let's talk about updates. If your browser or operating system is outdated, some features may stop working properly. This happens more often than people think, so make sure everything is updated before assuming the platform is broken. Now, another important thing. Extensions, browser extensions can sometimes interfere with AI tools, especially ad blockers, privacy extensions, or script blockers. Try disabling extensions temporarily, then reload the page. If things suddenly work again, you already found the problem. Now let's talk about account issues. Sometimes the problem is connected to your session, so try signing out then signing back in. This refreshes your account connection and can fix random errors. Another thing to keep in mind, server problems. Sometimes the issue is not on your side at all. If the platform is overloaded, under maintenance, or experiencing outages, you may just need to wait. And honestly, this happens with a lot of AI tools in 2026, especially during peak hours. Now, here's something important. If generation keeps failing repeatedly, try simplifying your request. Very long prompts, complex instructions, or overloaded tasks can sometimes cause errors. So test with something simple first, then gradually increase complexity. This helps identify whether the issue is technical or related to the request itself. Now, let's talk about devices. If it's not working on your phone tree, it on desktop. And if desktop has problems, test it on another device. This is one of the fastest ways to isolate the issue. Now, something a lot of people ignore, memory usage. If you have too many tabs open or your device is struggling, AI platforms may become unstable. Closing unnecessary app scan actually improve performance a lot. Now, let's be honest for a second. Sometimes people panic immediately and assume their account is broken, but most of the time, it's something small like cache browser conflicts or temporary server overload. So the best thing you can do is troubleshoot step by step instead of changing everything at once. And usually one of these fixes solves the problem pretty quickly. So to wrap this up, if Google Flow is not working in 2026, start with the basics. Check your internet, refresh the platform, clear caches, which browsers, disable extensions, and test on another device. Because in most cases, the issue is temporary and completely fixable. And once everything is running properly again, should be able to use the platform normally without major issues.